Can sports shoes make you jump higher? For athletes or sportsmen, the right gear is absolutely crucial. Comfortable uniforms, helmets, and let's not forget, appropriate shoes. There are hundreds of sports gear companies that make a fortune by claiming that their shoes enhance your performance. Every year, Nike, Adidas, and Under Armour come up with new innovative designs specifically tailored to boost the performance. There is even a company that specifically claims that their shoes make you jump 2 to 3 inches higher. The company in question achieves this by employing special jump soles, or strength soles. APL, or Athletic Propulsion Lab, as the name suggests, manufactures these unique shoes. Can sports shoes really make you jump higher? You might think it's highly unlikely that shoes can increase the vertical length of your jump, but it does affect your jump performance significantly. In fact, the APL shoes were banned by the NBA, as they thought it gave players an unfair advantage over the regular shoes. So, if you ever hope to play professionally, you should not get yourself used to the jump soles, but rather train your leg muscles to do the work for you. Of course, good shoes are still needed for grip and comfort, but fortunately, there are many other brands that you can buy from. Nike, Adidas, or UA, for instance, are not only allowed by the NBA, but usually endorsed too. These shoes focus on the best possible cushioning so that your feet are comfortable, yet firmly planted. They are also designed to give you impact protection when your feet hit the ground, so most of the shock is absorbed by the sole and padding. This way, you feel much lighter and springy, for the lack of a better word. The cushioning gives you just the extra boost you need when you aim for a jump, and the springy sole provides you with elastic propulsion. With all that extensive padding and cushioning, you might think that sports shoes by Nike, UA, or Adidas would weigh a lot. Surprisingly, it's the opposite. The shoes are quite light when compared to another footwear. How important are shoes when you want to jump as high as possible? Although quality footwear is a significant factor if you want to jump higher, it's not the only one. In reality, there are several other factors that influence the vertical distance when you jump. For instance, jumping mechanics and the health of your relevant muscles, quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. There are many exercises to help you increase the vertical height of your jump. Jumping jacks, squat jumps, and rebounding, for example, are exercises scientifically proven to help you jump higher. How you launch yourself into the air, or the jumping mechanics also play a pivotal role in the jump. So, instead of pinning your hopes on shoes to make you jump higher, train yourself to do it. In brief, the answer to the question, can sports shoes make you jump higher? If yes, they can. The extensive cushioning, support, and overall design ensure that your feet are comfortable, and in addition, provides the necessary propulsion and impact protection. This allows you to jump higher. However, the job of these shoes is to channel your inner potential, which means you still have to train.